Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Do you want to control your Roborock Q Revo or any other Roborock with your Apple phone? I've tried it with the Amazon Alexa, it works okay. With the Apple phone, it works really good with Siri. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, first you have to have the Roborock app. I already have a video showing you how to connect this app to the Roborock. It's relatively easy, but once it's already connected, you got your mapping all done. This is just everything's all set up and ready to go. This is like the front screen. Don't hit enter. That takes you to the actual robot, which is where you do most of your stuff. But just go back to like this home page, click the profile button. Right here is where you're going to do voice control. I've done the Alexa. It just turns it on and off. It like cleans your whole house or doesn't, or docks it, or goes to recharge. The Siri works really well. Click Siri, click the little plus button. We can do start cleaning, pause, resume cleaning, return to dock, selective room cleaning, set robot suction, and find me. I love it. That's a lot of commands. Click the little plus button. Now, see, I've got 3 Roborocks. I want to do this with the Roborock Q Revo. Now, I got to pick the phrase. Now, it's saying execute, I always have to say the wake word. Execute Roborock Q Revo start. That's what it's going to execute. You don't have to say that. I can say anything right here. Clean my basement. Okay, so if I say that, if I say the wake word, hey Siri, clean my basement, it's going to start it. Yep, it's started to clean. That works amazing. And sure enough, it's starting to clean. So that works really, really good. All right, let's hit done. Let's add another command. Let's hit the little plus. It's so simple. Hit the plus button. Let's say return to dock. I'm going to add all of these eventually, but let's say return to dock. The Q Revo. Now here, I press this. What do I want it to do? Just say stop cleaning or go home. Stop cleaning. All right, it's memorized it. Now if I say, hey Siri, stop cleaning.
There's nothing to end here.
Uh-oh. Okay, let's try that again. Return to dock. Q Revo. All right, let's try this again. Return to dock. Oh, I gotta click the word done. Now it's added it. I could have used the other one. I didn't hit done yet. Hey Siri, return to dock. All right, yep, it's returning. That's pretty cool. So far I've only used Siri and Echo. The Echo, it works, but it just starts and stops it. It doesn't, you can't do individual rooms and different things. So let's go. Let's see the individual rooms. Selective room cleaning. Oh, there's the rooms. So those are all the rooms I've entered. I love this. Yep. And I love being able to say my own words. Like, I got to start using Siri more. Just a quick video. I got lots of videos on how to change the filters. All these Roborock vacuum cleaners, I show you how to set them up from the very beginning, how to do the monthly maintenance, how to kind of take them apart and clean them. And I'm also doing comparisons like which one's the best one. This is going to be a category I'm going to rate them in, how well it connects to the smart home. So far, Alexa on this one's not very good. Siri's really good. Now, let's do Google Home. It looks complicated now. The Siri one was so easy. I'll have to set that up later. Let's try Google Assistant. Is that any easier? No. It might be easy, but it looks kind of complicated right now. So again, if you get lost, it's down here. You'll see devices. That's all your devices. But if you click the profile, if you come up, voice control, there they are. I hope this video helps. If you could give it a thumbs up underneath the YouTube channel, that helps out my YouTube channel. Again, check out all my videos. Check me out on Instagram, Just a Dad Videos. Hit the follow button. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Look who has showed up for her treat. Where are you going? She does love her treats. I don't have any more.